Hello friends, this is Star World TV. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. This tutorial is about adding multiple files into one PDF. So open Google browser, type image2pdf.com. Now click on Upload File. Select your desired pictures. Now wait for downloading pictures. At the end, combine all the pictures. Press on Combine. Now your PDF is downloaded. As you see, our pictures is converted into PDF. So friends, this is very easy tutorial about converting pictures into PDF. So please like and subscribe our channel. Goodbye.